Mr. Chair.
Kaya nga, I am very sorry for that information. That is
Well,
only
you are
a mere
the Vice
declaration.
President of Senior Aguila, the President who is considered by these people as your God. So meaning, naniniwala ka rin na God si Presidente mo.
Hindi po, hindi
Hindi
po.
ka naniniwala.
Hindi po ako naniniwala. Ang God ko isa lang, God the Father. Mr. Chair, please. I cannot understand why parang sinasabit ako ng kung ano-ano man ang habla nila. Kasi wala akong kaalam-alam kung anong mga operation doon. Sinasabi, tinuturo na si Sir Aguila. Anong role ko?
Mr. Galanida, sinabi nito na pag ikaw may sakit, si Jeren Esquilario, binibigyan mo ng papel para basahin during the meetings. So, ibig sabihin, yung utak ng organisasyon na ikaw nagbibigay ng mga instructions kay Kilario kung anong sasabihin.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, definitely no. Because if they believe na Senyor Aguila is God, why should I dictate God if He's powerful? That is a mere declaration.
So meaning, pinaubaya mo na kay Senyor Aguila lahat.
Wala akong
Because
alam.
he is God.
Wala akong alam. Wala akong alam. I am just saying that kung naniwala na sa Senyor Aguila is God, he should not be dictated by anybody.
Mr. Chair.
Kaya nga, I am very sorry for that information. That is
Well,
only
you are
a mere
the Vice
declaration.
President of Senior Aguila, the President who is considered by these people as your God. So meaning, naniniwala ka rin na God si Presidente mo.
Hindi po. Hindi
Hindi
po.
ka naniniwala.
Hindi po ako naniniwala. Ang God ko isa lang, God the Father.
So bakit mo siya sinusuportahan?
Your Honor, in 2020, si Senyor Aguila, isa lang membro. Ang kuwan doon ay ang sister-in-law ko.
Kaya nga, bakit siya naging presidente?
I-explain na namin nung una na
Sandali lang, you just answer my question. Ha? Was he elected by all the members of his BSI or was he appointed? If he was appointed, by whom?
originally, he was recommended by our former president
Recommended.
to succeed him. And later on, he was elected during our special assembly.
Special Assembly.
Yes,
Elected by all the members of his BSI, you mean to say?
Yes po, yes po.
So by popular vote of all the members of his BSI, siya naging presidente.
Yes, during the time, I think that was on July 1, 2021.
Including you as the vice president?
Yes, in
You
fact-
were also elected.
Yes, Mr. Chair. In fact, I was not willing because I am during that time I've been suffering from high blood and then also from my kidney disease. So I was quite weak at the time and even until now.
So what made you concede to the decision? You were not willing initially. So what made you concede to the
As Vice
decision?
President.
Ha?
As Vice President, oo.
So bakit ka pumayag? Ayaw mo man kaya?
They were insisting because I was formerly the secretary. Ang sabi nila na you just accept this. Anyway, Vice President man lang, wala naman kayong function. Especially,
So, tanongin kita, did it cross in your mind that nagdududa ka na si Jeren Esquilario is only 23 years old. Siya ang naging presidente. Ako matanda na ako, kompleto ako sa kaalaman, I am well educated. Bakit vice presidente lang ako? Did it cross your mind?
actually, I was thinking on that, but because of my physical condition, I don't care whoever will be elected.
Jerens, di ba sinabi mo noon na ayaw mo sana, pero inilik ka kaya okay ka na lang, naging presidente.
Kasi wala na akong magawa.
That's why ha, paminaw mong apat, makinig kayo. That's why kinaklaro natin ito because we are looking for responsibilities here and accountabilities. Because you are the president of SBSI, ikaw ang tinuturo. So, liabilities ninyo yan, kung anong mangyari sa organisasyon ninyo, pananagutan nyo yan. Kaya, tinatanong ko kayo ngayon, ikaw, sabi mo, hisitan kang tumanggap, pero bakit ka tumanggap? Sige nga. Anong rason, bakit mo tinanggap? Ayaw mo man kaya, dahil bata ka pa. Bakit mo tinanggap?
Dahil sabi na ni Mamerto Galanida, ay recommendation ni gaya ng sinabi ni Mamerto Galanida na recommendation ni Rosalina Tarok at narinig ko yung rekomenda niya. Kaya nga panay-panay ako nagtanggi. Pero wala akong magawa dahil sa pagrespeto ko sa presidente noon. At inilik ako ng mga tao, wala akong magawa.
So, totoo ba ito nga yung mga decision making, hindi ikaw, merong sa likod mo na nagbibigay ng instruction? Mga pulisya.
Yung decision is yung board, yung lahat ng...
Sinong membro ng board? Ilan kayo? So lahat ng decision is a collective decision arrived at consensus by the members of the board.
Lahat po ng mga programa po ay minimitingan po ng board.
Sino mga member ng board? Sabihin mo sa akin. For the record.
Sa secretary, si Chinga.
Andito yung secretary. Please, nag-oath ka na ba? So sino-sino yung mga members of the board?
Good morning po, Mr. Senators. Yung member po ng board, we have the President, Senyor Aguila, the Vice President, Mamerto Galanida. I am the Secretary General. Treasurer, Flor de Lis Ilandag. Board of Directors, that's Karen Galanida, Winifredo Buntad.
Nandito ba si Buntad?
Yes, nandito po.
Buntad? Nandito si Buntad?
Lilibet Goma, Sami
Sandali, nandito si Buntad?
Nandito po si Buntad. Yes po.
Buntad, alika, upo ka dito. Yan yung...
For the record, Mr. San,
Sige, please continue. Continue.
We
Ilan yung
have,
nasabi mo?
BOD Jaime Walo, BOD Sammy Cordita, BOD Lorlito Digal, Oscar Arcular, Rodolfo Ahok Jr. We have the PIO Romero H. Ahok, nandito po siya. All in all, we are 15 po BODs.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, go ahead.
follow up lang,
Yes.
Ma'am Chinga Leia. May binanggit kayong Board of Directors member na Karen Galanida. Iba
Karen
pa po kay
Sanico po.
Karen
Karen
Sanico.
Sanico po.
Sanico,
Yes po.
okay.
Oo.